Hey guys, welcome to a new video. This is Iodine here with your forecast for Winter Storm Gia. Currently, Winter Storm Gia has not yet been named, so it will either be this storm right here, or in a few days, a storm will form in the Midwest over here. This storm right here, and it starts to produce snow. And right here, so if you see right here, there's forecast to be snow in the Midwest, and then some heavier snow over in Virginia and West Virginia and Maryland and Delaware. So just be aware of that if you live over there or if you're just curious. So after that, there will be some other storms that will come over the next 384 hours, and they just kind of start coming one after another. So here's one right here, and then here's another one right here, and then another one right here, and then get back to the beginning of our forecast again. So yeah, that's your forecast on Winter Storm Gia, and a little bit on some storms coming after that. But I'll go into more details on those in later videos. So thanks for watching. That's the end of the video, and I hope you subscribe.